2 decades on since the Nicoll Highway collapse, regular updates on safety protocols are now a mainstay in the construction industry. It includes more independent checks, supervision and upskilling of engineers. Several safety measures were introduced only after the collapse. An expert tells us that these are among reasons why such an incident is unlikely to happen again. Tomorrow marks 20 years since the tragedy took 4 lives. Aslam Shah with more.
I still can imagine the collapse at the time.
A young engineer with the Land Transport Authority 2 decades ago, Mr. David Ng was deployed to the site of the Nicoll Highway collapse. Stationed in a parked bus, he helped to monitor soil movement to ensure the area is safe for rescue operations.
For the first 3 days, I didn't go home. I was on the bus for the first 3 days, the most critical 72 hours. Actually, we were on the bus here working 24 hours. When we retired, we just took a nap in the bus and then continue working.
It is here on this road and the land across it where one of Singapore's most significant tragedies happened. Now today, Nicoll Highway is one of the key roads linking the east of Singapore to the central business district, and the land across it is still being reserved by the Singapore Land Authority for future development.
This empty piece of land was the scene of chaos 20 years ago. A government inquiry found that inaccurate assessment of soil behavior and a design error of the support system underneath caused the collapse. Mr. Ng believes such lapses are unlikely to happen again.
The supervision is now done by an independent team. So when there's any glaring issue happen on site that may show some indication of the design is not being safe, the supervision team will actually highlight it, and then everybody will have to action on it, so that the inappropriate management of data and information on site is unlikely to happen nowadays.
Instrumentation and modeling software are also constantly improving with technology, so engineers will be able to make more accurate assessments before work is done on site. There are also more registered professional engineers now. Firms providing professional engineering services have also grown multifold. And every 6 months, contractors also meet with LTA's senior management to discuss safety performances and flag potential issues. LTA says that safety protocols today are above existing industry standards.
I see a lot of improvement over the 20 years as a result of the incident. Yeah, and very particularly, the safety standard has increased, and the level of design check has also increased very significantly.
But there's no room for complacency. The future holds new challenges for construction here. Undergrounds are getting crowded, and climate change is leading to rising sea levels. While driving along Nicoll Highway brings back dark memories, it also serves as a reminder that keeping construction safe is a never-ending journey.